Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to fix iPhone overheating problem. Alright, so let's begin with the video. We will learn how to reduce device heating after installing the new iOS version. One of the problems that users have after installing the new iOS version is overheating. However, there are a few things you can do to reduce your phone's overheating. Alright, first, open the Settings app. In Settings, find the General section and tap on it. In the General section, find the Software Update option and tap on it. Check if version 17.6 have arrived on the phone. This version will probably solve all of the iOS version problems. If it is there, install it. The next thing we can do is check to see if App Refresh is turned off. In Settings, find the General section in the new list. Select the Background App Refresh option. It is recommended that you turn this off completely, and if you really need an application, you can leave it on by tapping on the switch in the list below. Last but not least is to turn off location. Go to the Privacy section. In it, select the Location option. You can turn off the location completely or leave it for all applications only when it is used by the application, or only for those that really need it. In this way, you can reduce overheating on your phone. So that's basically how you can fix iPhone overheating problem. So that's all for this video. Consider subscribing if you find it helpful, and I'll catch you in the next one. Thanks.